A group of businessmen with a passion for online gaming founded Rollbit in February 2020, and since then it has quickly become one of the top crypto casinos, with over 1 million registered users, an estimated $20 million in daily wagers, and more than $3 billion in total. Rollbit has gained widespread recognition as the leading innovator in the sector, with its NFT betting games, cryptocurrency derivatives trading, and fresh cutting-edge casino offerings like bonus battles. Okay, so what is Rollbit? The Rollbit Platform has established itself as a leader in the cryptocurrency gambling industry by providing instant deposits and withdrawals in major cryptocurrencies, as well as a digital assets trading feature. With the platform's recent introduction of crypto trading, users now have several benefits over those of other platforms. First off, because Rollbit only keeps a small portion of the profits from successful trades, there are never any fees or slippage charged to open or close a trade. This stands in stark contrast to many traditional cryptocurrency exchanges, which lowers fees on each trade. Users of Rollbit can trade major cryptocurrencies with leverage up to 1,000, with a maximum leverage of 100 for Doge and LTC. Users can trade with more money than they have available thanks to this, which raises their potential earnings. Now let's present what is the RLB token and its features. The Rollbit platform is connected to the cryptocurrency known as Rollbit Coin, in short RLB. Within the platform, it is utilized for a variety of purposes, such as Rollback. A specific percentage of rollback or additional rakeback applied to your Rollbit casino and trading accounts is included with each Rollbot, an NFT on the Rollbit platform. The percentage of rollback increases with the rarity of the Rollbot's body type. When the housed edge of the games you play is rolled back, you can earn more money. Rollboxes, made by Rollbot owners, give you the opportunity to play the role of the casino. Owners of Rollbots can link it with a Rollbox and add rewards, like NFTs or cash prizes to it, based on the characteristics of the Rollbot and the prizes inside the Rollbox. The creator of the associated Rollbot receives a revenue share when a box is opened. Marketplace profit sharing. Holders of Rollbots can stake their NFTs on Rollbit's market and profit from the market fees. Following each lottery round, staked Rollbots receive a portion of the marketplace's profits based on the rarity of the hat trait. Lottery stakes. Owners of Rollbots who stake their Rollbots during the lottery round receive RLBs in the form of lottery tickets. A stake fee is charged, with half of it being burned and the other half going to staked Rollbots. The proportion of RLB that is redistributed depends on how uncommon the eye trait is. Lottery Multiplier. The lottery multiplier is determined by the rarity of a Rollbot's ear trait. When Rollbots stake RLB to participate in the lottery, those with rarer ears can unlock a higher multiplier. The odds of winning increase with the amount of RLB staked, but more RLB are lost with each entry. In conclusion, with its distinctive value accrual mechanisms and promising upcoming developments, Rollbit's tokens' value and popularity are continuing to soar. As the platform navigates the regulatory environment, it continues to be a fascinating choice for cryptocurrency enthusiasts looking to take advantage of its potential for sizable returns. So that's the end of the video around everything about Rollbit and its token. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.